please ignore, my room looks like an actual state today, and also my hair looks like a state because I'm going to get a haircut. Basically, we're doing another weekly vlog. It's bank holiday. It's my first bank holiday since I started work, so it feels great. I'm not gonna lie, and a 4-day weekend. A 4-day weekend we're getting, so yeah, I'm very, very happy, not gonna lie. But yes, I'm going to get a haircut in about 20 minutes. It's finally got to a length that I actually enjoy, and now I'm having to get it cut, so that's sad. Plus these bits, I think I did a glow up video like 2 or 3 months ago, and she cut these bits way too short, so they've just about grown to like a good length, and now I'm gonna have to get them cut again. But obviously I'm gonna ask for like the most minimal trim that she can do. But yeah, and then I'm going into London with the girls today, so we're gonna go, they've just gone in, so I'll be a bit late meeting them, but I think we're gonna go to like a rooftop bar, maybe do some shopping, and then we're going for dinner at Cinquecento in Chelsea. I've wanted to go to for ages. It's like pizza. The pizza's quite cheap for apparently really good, and then there's like other Italian dishes as well. So tomorrow I'm going to my grandma's. We've got like family Easter. We're doing it on Easter Saturday today, and then Sunday we're going out with the girls, and then Monday I think I'm gonna go to Bicester as well with Ed. So it's a good little bank holiday weekend. And I was out last night. I went out last night with Mummy and some of her friends and Tasha. We went to Piano Works. So good. I really recommend. I don't think you had to pay. No, we just got a table. I mean, we were standing actually, but some of the girls had chairs. Like classic London, like £12 for a drink. More than £12. So yeah, expensive evening, but it was good. So yes, I will show you when I'm off to go and get my hair cut, and then I'll be into London. This is the little fit check for today. We've got a new top and new trousers on, literally. Please ignore like all the clothes in the background. This sort of like mesh over top from Zaful, which has got like Arabic writing. I've just put like a black long sleeve underneath so I'm not too cold, and then just classic, you know, khaki parachute trousers. This little gilet from Urban, Sunny's ASOS bag, Shein. Yeah, a different type of fit today. I'm scared I'm gonna be a little bit cold, but we're gonna brave it. I'm gonna go over it. It's really hot in the sun, so fingers crossed. I'm off to go get my haircut now, so wish me luck. Just got on the train, ready to go into London. This is the hair. She did like a wave, which I'm really enjoying. And yeah, the front bits I don't think are too short. Very luckily, because that was the issue last time. I literally said like just cut off like the minimum amount that you can, and I really like it. I don't think it looks that nice when I don't have sunnies in, because I just personally don't think curls look great on me when I don't have sunnies in, but yay. Right, I'm not sure where the girls are. I'm either going to Oxford Circus or Chelsea, so we'll see you when I'm in London. Did you bought a dress that was £50?
I got the, you know, the Zara denim dress.
Yay!
Hello, sexy.
Yay! She's back in England! Woo! I just got here and we're now leaving, but we're going to the Prince, so I don't know.
We're going to Sloane Square.
Oh, we're going to Sloane Square. Hello! Made it here. We don't know if there's going to be any space, but fingers crossed. We're at the Fiend. That outside looks really nice, but we're not in the outside dinner. No bookings. Got a little, did you get a mug? I got on my hazel. And then my flip. Cheers! Round number 2. A big glass this time. Cheers again, girly pop. Here's a Paloma. Like, what's in it?
Grapefruit, lime.
Kind of sour.
Yeah, like a tart.
We made it! Woohoo! Hey guys! Oh. Should we do it as you take over? We're in Cinquecento. Cinquecento? I don't really know.
There's so many bank things
yeah, there's just too much to choose from. Honestly, so many like anchovies, capers, mozzarella. Yeah, the vegetarian girl. These starters have arrived.
They got
Yeah, this is like,
what's this one?
so this is the lasagna,
God.
this is like fried cacio e pepe, some olive. That looks really good. Oh my god. Right, the pizzas have arrived. Me and Tasha are sharing a truffle and a ham and olive. Got some burrata mozzarella vibes going on over here. And what was yours again? Jackie. And then sausage. Sausage.
I mean, you are right. It definitely is one. I just also think like, if people want to drink, you should maybe put it that way.
Sure. Versus Beth. Classic. Classic. Good morning. It's Saturday and I'm going to my family. I'm going to go to my grandma's and we're going to go out for lunch and then we're going to do the annual Easter egg hunt, which me and my cousin are way too old for, but we still do it because I want chocolate and she wants chocolate and I like fun and games and stuff. So yes, I'm going to drive there now. I don't know how much of it I'll vlog because it's just family, so I probably won't really vlog any of it, but I will show you if there's anything interesting. This is the fit for the day. Quite simple, but you know, family, so I don't want to be overboard. Good afternoon, we're back, well, good evening, back from my grandma's. It was really cute. We went out for lunch. We had like a little 3-course meal. I'll insert some pics. I got spring rolls, then I got lamb. It was lamb shoulder with mash and peas and like gravy, but the shoulder was like pre-pulled, like they'd pulled it off for you, which we were all a bit like, why have you done that? So that was a bit weird, but had that and then had a cream egg brownie, which was real good. And then we did the egg hunt and I won. Yeah, I got more, but then we share them out equally at the end, obviously. Got cream eggs, mini Lindt eggs, and like a big Lindt hazelnut bunny, so that was cute. And yeah, we just sort of chatted, you know, family catch up. I'm gonna go meet Ed at the pub now. Casual drink, but then tomorrow, I'm so excited. Tomorrow we're going like out, going to an event. I'll definitely take you along there. But yes, I will probably not see you at the pub, but see you in the morning. Happy Easter. It's Easter Sunday and look at what I've just made for myself. I'm so happy. I've made my classic porridge. I've gone for the chocolate one today and then added a few little mini eggs and Smarty eggs on top, and I might just have this to snack on too because it's Easter, you've got to eat chocolate. So excited for later. I'm gonna have the girls in here I think to freeze because there's not too many of us. I think there's only 6 of us, so we should fit around the table and it's just easier if people want to keep stuff in the fridge and stuff, or maybe want to have a little snack, a little nibble here and there. But yeah, I am gonna eat my brekkie now and then I'll start getting ready to go out now. I'm ready. I have my makeup on. I just straightened my hair to see what it's like after the cut and it literally doesn't even look that much shorter. Like, she did it really well. As long as she actually has got off the bits that need cutting off, I'm very happy with it. I just wanted to show you, we have a step challenge that starts at midnight tonight with work. So I got this like Amazon watch delivered. It was like £20, but on the box it says RRP like 60 quid. I don't know if that's just like a scam, but yeah, I need to charge it up and see. This is what it looks like. But you know, like steps on your phone, like, I don't bring my phone everywhere with me and I go on the treadmill and watch stuff, so I thought this would be more accurate because your girl wants an extra day of holiday. That's like one of the prizes that you can get. So yes, I need to figure this out and I'll maybe show you it later because I'll probably have to wear it tonight because if we stay out past 12 the steps count. But yeah, I'm gonna go take some content in this outfit from Zappel. I might eat some food. We've got some like, I think there's like a little Easter spread that my mum's just done, really like little, but she's done it because we brought grandma home. And then I'll actually decide what I'm wearing later. And I'll probably do something with my hair because it's a little bit greasy, but I thought I might leave it greasy if I do like a half up, half down vibe or something like that. So yeah, this is the fit for the content and then I'll see you when I actually get ready.
All the way up the stairs.
Righty-roo, this is the outfit of choice. Mrs. Catherine in the back, hey. I've gone for this little top from Zaful and these from Zara, which are disgusting at the bottom, but no one will see that in the crowd. So, yay. Cute. Sharp cocktails. Whoop, 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 whoop. It looks like paint. I'm also getting water out for some snacks. Oh. Monday. It's Easter Monday. It's the last day of the bank holiday weekend and I'm feeling a little bit ropey. I'm not completely fresh, but we're getting ready to go to Bicester. I'm just gonna wear this like one shoulder little knit with these green knit trousers because it's a bit rainy and like, yeah, a bit grim outside today. So yeah, and I'll just wear my long black trench, but not sure if I'll buy anything, probably not. But actually Mum wants me to buy her some, what do you call it, some hand cream from Molton Brown. So I'll be doing that. And I've got my watch on for my steps. So let's see how many steps we do today. But yeah, gonna go eat and then we'll see you at Bicester. We're on the way, driving away. But I wanted to try this bunny because it's hazelnut. Oh my god.
Good?
It's like, it's not even hot out. Wow, we've made it to Bicester. It's very busy today though. Lots of people. I'm not really sure where to go first. Could go in coach because it's right there. Let's have a quick look. Woohoo. Yeah, baby. We're making a purchase. What purchase are we making? I assume that is that they're gonna make a new Dior store, like a big one. Not quite sure. We've come to Itsu for some lunch slash dinner slash whatever. We've got a Thai chicken. Let's see what. Ooh, that looks good. Thai chicken rice. We've got some gyoza, little sushi, and some more sushi. I'm gonna try this Thai chicken.
Good?
Indeed. We're in the queue for Axel Arrogante because it's just opened up. Trying rings on in Versace, but I think it's too big. Okay, this one. It's very chunky. Looking in Barber now. I just found some earrings in Versace that I really like, so I might actually get them at the end of the day. Do my one purchase because I've been looking for some nice gold earrings. So, yeah. This is the Fendi shop. It's new. It's all yellow. I'm excited about this. This travel bag is stunning. To get some water and cracks. We were absolutely hot, but I'm gonna go get the earrings because I'm scared they're gonna go. So I'll keep you updated. We made a purchase. Good morning, it's the next day, it's Tuesday. Well, it's not morning right now, I'm on my lunch break, but I thought I'd show you the earrings because I just didn't show you them yesterday. So I bought lovely earrings from Versace. I'm honestly so excited about these. I'm gonna just pop you down. The earrings, they're so pretty. So I don't know if it's gonna focus on them. There we go. Oh, I love them so much. So they're like the classic V, but just in earring form. I just think they're so pretty. So the thing that I liked about them the most is that they clip. So they clip in rather than have an earring back, because I always feel like earring backs fall out like really quickly. I'd obviously need to get rid of these because but it's just like a really nice gold. Let me put the other one in. I'm obviously only gonna wear these for like special occasions. There we go. So you can see the little like, my hair's so greasy, so please ignore, but it's like a gold V, and I feel like these, I feel like I'm not gonna wear any of my other hoops when I wear these. They'll just be like on their own. These little gold guys with like a red dress in summer, and just, yeah, they're just really pretty. So, I love. Hi, so before I end the video, I just got a little delivery from Protein World. So I'm just gonna open this quickly before I head off to the gym. Do a little unboxing for you. And then sadly that is the bank holiday weekend over. Been a great one. There's been a lot of drinking involved and a lot of seeing friends and family. Let's dig in and see what we've got. Oh, I think they sent me something extra. That's really cute. Oh, yay. They sent me 2 of the little protein bars as well. I love these ones. These are like double deckers. I don't even think I tried this one, but Ed likes those, so that's good. Can take that to work with me tomorrow actually. It's my breakfast. Got the pancake mix. Love it, the pancake mix is so nice. And oh my god, they've sent me even more stuff. Love that. Got the normal, what is this? Milk chocolate protein, because I like to have the white chocolate protein with my cinnamon porridge, but I think if I have the milk chocolate protein with my chocolate porridge, it'll work better together. So I'll give that a try at some point soon. They've sent me 2 more bars. So these are from the Slender range. Okay, Slender, oh, these are the plant-based bars. So they sent me, I thought these were plant-based too, maybe not. Okay, so I think these are the non-plant-based bars, and then these are the plant-based ones. So we've got chocolate chip, 1, and a peanut butter 1. Nice. Yay, so many bars to try. Right, I'm off to the gym. And that is it for the end of this vlog. I hope you've enjoyed watching me just basically have a really messy 4-day weekend. I've enjoyed it. So yeah, if you did, give it a like and subscribe, of course. And yes, I'll see you really soon with a new video. Bye.